Hey Tim, welcome to evening research and analysis on Trading Emotion channel. I am Guruji. Very interesting and unique thing happened in the today's trading. So this type of nuances, this type of information, everything you will get only on market profile. So anybody wants to learn market profile, you just ping me in person, and market profile is unique thing. Once you learn, it will control your emotion. It will give you the trading opportunity, only 2 or 3 opportunity in a day, and it will clearly tell you whether you have to enter, how to trail your SL, where you have to target, how to book your profit. This every information, these letters will provide you A, B, C. This is not a candlestick. This is will provide you how to trade your day-to-day trading. So option buying is a art. Okay, but if you don't know this art, you will struggle. You will lose your big capitals. So this is how the market profile help you for option buyers. Every information will give you these letters A period to M period. That is the beauty of market profile. Why I am telling this much of information? Why telling I am this much of information is, see, the morning video, this is Bank Nifty future 30 minutes time frame. Morning I posted a video in Bank Nifty that clearly I mentioned that 42,560 I will go for a long. Any acceptance here, I will go for a long. Okay. Once that acceptance was happened, I entered long, and when the information got in the market profile, this C period is low. C period low is weak. This reference is weak. Market will clear this reference. So once C period start here and moving up, I booked my profit. I booked profit and I am just watching the same information. I am not telling this after market hours. You go and cross check with the MP students group. I posted MP students group voice message also. C period low is weak. That will clear immediately. So if anybody in the CE side of Bank Nifty, trail your SL or book your profit here. That message I already forwarded to our MP Emotion Telegram channel also. So everything is free. We are not charging anything. Our Telegram channel is free. Our MP students group also free. But they are paid members. They already learned the market profile nuances, everything. They are learning phase. So live market we are supporting through the market profile. Okay. So this is very interesting thing is open was above previous day value area high. Then the responsive sellers are came here, but once the market A period came down, previous day value area low, there was an initiative buyers start buying their positions. Then they pushed up the market and market went up to 42,735, 560 to 730. This is our journey. Okay. This is what happened in Bank Nifty. But Bank Nifty, what happened is, this is a 100% IB failed auction. Initial balance failed auction. This is initial balance failed auction. As per initial balance failed auction market theory, once this failed auction, this is unfinished business. Once this failed auction was happened, market how to visit this today's low, this low market how to visit and clear. But this is not happened in Bank Nifty. I already posted why this is not happened. Happened is there is a good bullish on the Bank Nifty, and many people are, when market trading here, that time also those people are bullish. But in our market profile students group, we clearly in the bearish mode when the failed auction was happened. We changed our mindset, then we are start looking for the shorting opportunity. Okay, this is how Bank Nifty's analysis and research. So if just note it down in your book or a diary or your mind, wherever you want to, whenever the failed auction was happening like these days, that means there is a no poor references on the downside and market open above the value area high. So whenever this failed auction is happening, don't short or don't look this much of target. Don't look this much of target. At least if you are a failed auction, you have to plan to book nearby opening range, the day opening range. This is 1, 2, 3 information. So in Nifty, here comes some interesting information, interesting analysis. This is Nifty 50 future market profile chart. See here, market opened inside the previous day value area, then came down, then B period also took support at A period low, start moving up, okay. Then C was clearing AB initial balance high, but D was immediately getting into the initial balance range. Immediately D came initial balance range. So this is IB failed auction. This is also IB failed auction. But why market came and cleared this low? Bank Nifty didn't happen, but in Nifty it happened. Why? Because AB poor low is a target, poor reference, unfinished business. So this poor low, most of the time, AB poor high or AB poor low, most of the time market will clear that day itself. So IB failed auction happen, then directly our target could be this. So you may ask, sir, these are the information you are saying after market hours, but see, this is how we have to learn market profile, our trading, our strategy, everything. I am not saying after market hours. Bank Nifty I already given voice message, information, everything on the live market. But the Nifty also I was given the information that, see, 1146 I given the information. You can go for a PE, SL above day open. Okay, AB poor low, target is AB poor low, or wait for below VWAP acceptance. These are the information shared at 1146. Okay, 1146 I shared this information in our Telegram students group. This is live information. Then how much time market took to reach here, clearing here, almost 215 market came down. But I clearly mentioned there, your SL could be above day open. So our SL not took, market came down and cleared day low. So how to we take a position? Here easily we can take a position on Nifty reversal trade. Reversal trade easily we can trade. Bank Nifty reversal trade we can trade, but there is a good bullish momentum from the morning. So this open, maximum target is this open. That is also I mentioned in our students group. This is a maximum target. Okay, this is how market profile help you for intraday position, everything. And you can click the like button, comment your valuable feedback. Please refer our channel to your friend circle and relatives. Please click the like bell button to get whenever we are posting the video, you will get an alert. Thank you very much.